Hello all, welcome to Dev World. This is the platform we can discuss mostly about DevOps kind of stuffs like Terraform, Ansible, Git, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes and clouds. Not simple discussion, we have lab setup, so most of the sessions will be practical. If you want to discuss any topics which is related to DevOps, you can share the thoughts in the comment box. We have one website, linuxwiki.in. There are sharing step-by-step instructions of DevOps like installation, configuration and troubleshooting. That website link will be available in the description box. What we are going to discuss today is a topic that is of great interest to you. Docker administration through CLI. This is part 1. What is Docker? Docker is a tool designed to make it easier to create, deploy and run applications by using containers. Containers allows a developer to package up an application with all of the parts it needs, such as libraries and other dependencies, and deploy it as on package. Let's not get into the basic anymore. Let's go straight to the lab setup. This is what we need for today's lab. Desktop or laptop with Windows, Linux or Mac operating system. Then Docker CE. What is Docker CE? Docker CE is a free and open source containerization platform. It is a rebranded version of the Docker open source solution that has been freely available since the launch of Docker in 2013. CE can run on Windows 10 and Mac, some cloud platform like Azure, AWS, as well as CentOS, Debian, Fedora, and Ubuntu. CE can be downloaded directly from the Docker store. If you have any problem with installing Docker CE, I have given the URL in the description box. It tells you how to install it step by step. It's very simple, you can follow it. Yet if there is any doubt, you can raise a comment. We can do that as a session if you need. It's going to be the first discussion in class today is Docker Hub. What is Docker Hub? Docker Hub is a service provided by Docker for finding and sharing container images with your team. How to register Docker Hub? Go to https://hub.docker.com and sign up. Let us see how to register Docker Hub. In browser type hub.docker.com. In the home page you can see sign up today. Give any Docker ID, should be unique. I am giving the world tab. We have to provide a valid email ID and password. Click I am not robot and select the box which is provided in the image. So you will see on green mark. Then sign up. Then sign in using your username and password. It will go to the home page of Docker Hub. Let's discuss about the Docker command. In this lab, I am using a CentOS Linux machine with the Docker CE. You can use the command cat/etc redhat release to see the version of operating system. You can see I am using Red Hat Linux, Enterprise Linux 8.2. The very first command we are going to learn about Docker version. So just type Docker space version. This shows us which version of Docker client and server we are using. You can see I am using client version 19.38 and server version 18.9. The next command is Docker login. The Docker login command helps us to log into a Docker hub or Docker registry located on the specified server. In terminal, type Docker login, enter your Docker hub credentials, username and password, and type in dev app and password. You will get a message login succeeded. Now you have successfully integrated Docker Hub in your server. And is Docker logout. Docker logout command helps us to log out from a Docker registry located on the specified server. Go to the terminal, type Docker space logout. You can see on message like removing login credentials. Now you have successfully removed the Docker Hub registry from your server. The next command is Docker search. The Docker search command helps us to search images from the Docker public repository. Usage Docker search 10. Go to the terminal. For example, if you want to list all the CentOS images from public repository, type Docker space search space CentOS. You can find some helpful information here like name is the name of the Docker image, description, a short description on what the image is about, stars, how many people have liked the image, official, specify whether the image is built from trusted source, automated, tells whether the image is built automatically with a push in GitHub or Bitbucket repositories. You can combine more options here with the help of ---- filter. We are going to see two different examples using ---- filter. Example 1, list all the CentOS images, tells whether the image is built automatically. Go to the terminal, type Docker space search space ---- filter is equal to is automated is equal to true space CentOS. See, all are CentOS images built automatically. The next example is list all the CentOS images, tells whether the image is built automatically and more than 5-star. Go to the terminal, type Docker space search space ---- filter is equal to is automated is equal to true space ---- filter is equal to stars is equal to 5 space CentOS. See, this lists all the CentOS images with more than 5-star. To find more options and functionalities with the Docker search command, use the help option. Go to the terminal, type Docker space search space ---- help. This will list all the options we can use along with the Docker search command. Okay, I am signing off for the day. Docker second part video will be uploaded soon. I appreciate your valuable suggestions. Stay tuned. Have a great day. Bye bye.